Well, hello, hello, hello. I have another box. It's the last straggler from HSN, the June craft day. I know what it is. It's the cart I ordered. So, but I wanted to show you the big box here in, the crafting corner of madness, or the satellite office, as it's known now. But I wanted to show you the box before I break this down, because I'm going to open it up off camera. And cross my fingers, hope to die, click my heels 3 times, that there doesn't come with instructions to say some assembly required. So let's see, guys. But let's take a look at this. But I wanted to show you the box. All right. I'll see you in a couple. Be right back. Well, hello, hello. I'm back a day later. But I got it built. I just got interrupted. And you know what, guys? This cart was really an easy build. I mean, some assembly was required. But it took me maybe half an hour to put it together. Maybe a little bit longer because I did one thing wrong. Because heaven forbid I not do it. But you know what, guys? I am superbly impressed. I don't know, when I looked last on HSN, there was one left. So I'm going to take a look again. And see if it's still there. This is amazing. I think it was like, $30. This is well worth it. And if they ever bring it back, it'd be well worth it. I mean, I don't know what the regular price was. I'll be really, really honest with you guys. But it has 2 drawers. And I'm going to roll up and see if I can do this. Okay, so the drawers, let me hold it with my feet so it doesn't move. They slide out. So they're not very deep. They hold 15 pounds a piece. And then the bottom one holds 40. So, I mean, I could put my machines down there. I mean, I have to figure this out, because really right now, and what I want you, I'm going to do it this way so you guys can see the coolness of this. If I turn it sideways, I'm going to hold it with my feet because I haven't put the brakes on it, is that it slides both ways. I mean, it stops because there's a little screw right here that they had me put in, and it keeps it from going. So you'll go this way, and it'll go that way. I love the thing. It is very, very, very cool. So we got, and then obviously this one does the same thing, goes both ways. And then we have the bottom tray. And then this is a top that is removable. So let me see if I can do this one-handed, because I am trying to hold this. But it comes off. See? There we go. For what reason? I don't know. But I am super, super duper pleased. So let me see. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do this. Hang on a second. We're just going to plop it and finagle it back into place. It has little screws at the bottom, and it'll hide into these little spots here. It really does sidle in really, really well. But guys, best $30 I've spent on HSN in a long time. So you got to watch these sales. I mean, and this is a store right cart. They have a bunch of other stuff, and I'm going to be looking at it because I am an instant fan. So I just wanted to take a minute and share this with you. It's probably one of the fastest, shortest videos I'm ever going to upload, because there's not much to really talk. Please forgive me. But I still haven't figured out what I'm going to put in here. So, I mean, I may very well, I'm thinking of, my project trays. Hold on a second, I have an idea. Oh, look, this works perfectly. These are those little trays you guys have seen me use. I use them for my project trays to put the stuff I'm using on any given project. And right now, 2 of these are like cards that I haven't finished up, where, it's the, famous, make 1, cut 4, and then I don't always get them done. Shh, don't tell on me. But this is perfect. So I can fit 3 projects worth of stuff here. And I still have that bottom tray that I'm going to figure out. What's it going to be? I mean, I have a little bin here of the new stuff that I bought. And maybe I'm going to put it there, so that way I have handy the stuff that I want to start working with immediately. Because that's really what I should do, in all good conscience. But then I have one, I don't know. But I mean, this is a great start. I'm going to have to figure out really. But I am super duper spectacularly pleased with my little cart here. I mean, it's going to work great. Like I said, it is way bigger than I anticipated. I don't even know if you can tell. I mean, here from the perspective, but I can't say enough good things about it. So there you go. Here's my card. Yay! So all of you guys that got this from Craft Day, from the last Craft Day clearance. You guys scored. We all scored. So there you go. So I hopefully you enjoy this, and I will link you down below for the one that's left. We'll see who gets to it first. And if not, I mean, I may link you to everything that's store right, because I think they have some really, really cool stuff, and it's always worth watching, guys. Always watch. Pay attention to what's going on. But there you go. There's my little craft cart. Hope you like it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a note. And if you want to see more continuing madness, you guys know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll be back with more goodies and more madness. All right? Until the next one, I will talk to you later. Have a great one, guys. And don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So come, let's all craft the madness here together. All right? Talk to you guys later. Bye!